meeting my friends at the hotel, so you know what this means. We're at the monkey forest in Ubud. This forest has about 700 monkeys and 180 species. So yeah, it's a huge forest. So we're probably going to see a lot of monkeys. Forest was fun. It was quite busy, although I'm sure it gets much busier at some time of the year. But there's another one a little bit outside of Ubud, about 20 minutes outside, which is less touristic, but I will go there when I go to Ubud next week. But this one was fun anyway. Oh, now we're off to change the tire.
Yeah, we got a flat tire.
We got a flat tire. Now we are about to have lunch. We are eating at the Mujair Nyat. Is that the name?
Yeah.
I'm going to show it to you because I probably butchered the name. So the restaurant was really good. We had a nice fish and they also had some chicken. It's just about, 8 kilometers outside of Ubud. So honestly, if you have a car or a motorbike, I would highly recommend you go to this restaurant. You won't regret it. And the dish are about 25,000 rupiah, so it's pretty cheap as well.
$2.
Alright, now we're back in the center and we're gonna have a little walk around. So that animal behind me is, you can't really see it, but I don't remember its name, but basically it eats the best coffee beans that there is. So people actually take his poop and make coffee out of it. And I don't drink coffee, but it's apparently really, really good coffee. You've probably heard of it if you've been to Vietnam or Indonesia or some other Southeast Asian country. So that was a very short tour of Ubud. We stopped for a quick drink. But I'll be back next week. I'm coming back in Ubud and staying a couple of nights, so I'll have more time to walk around and see the arts and the different shops.